it's quite daunting upon me to actually represent the Cheng. I'm the only artist in the family today, so I guess by default I'm best representative of the family. So I'll tell you a story. So when I was working in Japan, we lived there. It was the best time I had with my grandfather. And when he was visiting all these big companies like Mitsubishi, and I was with him there. And there was one time when we went to the chairman of Mitsubishi, and I saw the north of Tokyo window, south of Tokyo. I saw Van Gogh, and I saw Picasso, and I saw Erlina. And then he told me, whispered to my ear, was Margaret, I gave the Erlina to them 25 years ago. So I guess he used art as his diplomacy, but the Japanese were so detailed that they showed him that they remember his gift after 25 years. So that's probably the best experience I can share about my grandfather in art. The Czech Museum has been something that there's only two things I think for me that I get inspired. When I go abroad, I see museums and I read books. And today there's a lack of museums in the Philippines, obviously. And for an artist to be inspired requires, with the current political situation, it's very difficult to be inspired, whether it's art. And so hopefully the Czech Museum can be a place that can inspire other artists. And it's so important for an artist to find inspiration with other people and their works and the rest. So hopefully we can turn this museum into a place where artists can get inspired, make new works, and hopefully bring in more people to actually experience art in a different way. I think last year I had an exhibit in the third floor, and it was interesting because on a daily basis, I think a museum will have maybe 20 guests. But for some reason, in our exhibit, we had 500 guests per day. And we realized that it is the TikTok experience. So somebody uploaded the event on TikTok, and after that, we had 520 visitors a day. So what does that tell me? In the Philippines, as you know, it's really run by collectors, the art industry. But that experience just showed us that there's a new market out there, the Gen Zs, that are hungry for a new art experience.